We just discovered a brand new money-making method today, and we just want to tell you guys all about it ASAP. Isn't it so nice to hear that these days we can easily make money just by using our phones? I mean, it just makes everything so much easier and convenient for everyone. In today's video, that's exactly what we're going to be going over. We're going to be talking about some of the best ways to make money online just by using your phone. Just install these apps that I'm talking about and that we're about to show you and literally make tons of money off of them. It's that easy. Just work for a few hours and relax for the rest, and you're going to earn without even having to do so much. You're going to be earning passively with the websites that we're going to be showing you today. You won't be needing any skills or experience, and these apps are absolutely free, so no need to worry here. As always, we're going to be walking you through the whole process step by step. We're also going to be dropping some amazing bonus tips and tricks to use this method to its fullest and to make the most amount of money possible. So if you don't want to miss any of that, then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First is making sure that you have a PayPal account, because unfortunately these apps will most likely require you to have one since that's their method of paying out. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you can easily create one by going on to paypal.com, and this is obviously their website, and just clicking on sign up and going about the registration process as per instruction, and that's pretty much it. Once you've successfully completed the sign-up process, you have yourself a PayPal account and you're ready to take on today's websites or apps by fire. So let's just get right into it. The very first app or website, or whatever you want to call it, is called Moocash. And to get to their website and to open it up to read and know more about the app, you can type in getmoocash.com, and that should take you to this website right here. As you can see, turn swipes and taps into cash. Earn $5 per day. You can download it on both Google Play and the App Store, so it's available for both iOS and Android users, which means everyone can use this app. There's 24/7 support. There's a small team committed to providing you great support. You can chat with them anytime in Moocash. It's easy to earn coins. You get these offers on your lock screen and swipe to take the offer. It's literally as simple as that. There are many rewards. You can redeem coins for cash, free mobile recharge, free talk time, and gift cards. And there are many ways to earn. You can try apps, visit pages, or complete tasks and surveys, whichever way you want to prefer. Some facts about this app are: where can I redeem rewards, or when can I redeem rewards? Minimum redemption is $2 or $5 depending where you are making money from and what type of rewards you choose. What rewards can I redeem? You can cash it via PayPal or bank transfer. There's free talk time or prepaid recharge. What other ways can I make cash? Well, you can earn more by sharing apps and games or your Moocash with friends. And how long before I get the money? You will get your rewards usually within 7 business days. And there are some more facts on here that you can read on your own if you want, but these are some of the facts that are the ones mainly asked. Anyway, this is how the app looks like on Google Play. Why should you upgrade to Moocash Plus? You're gonna get 150 coins instantly. There are exclusive offers to earn more money. Get offers from lock screen, invite friends to earn referral bonus, and view earning history. And this is on the App Store, and that's pretty much it. So make sure you try this app out, and let's move on to the next one. But before that, to our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Next app is called Cash Magnet, and to get to their website, just type in cashmagnetapp.com, and that should take you to here. Get money from your Android phone. We pay for every minute of that time when you do nothing. We have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. You do not need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode. Prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet, and you can already buy another phone that works for you around the clock. That is how thousands of our satisfied users do it. Earn now by simply running the app. It's absolutely safe. We guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. Earn money using your phone for doing nothing. Absolutely passive income. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Some facts. What is Cash Magnet? It is an Android app that will allow you to earn extra income while you are not using the phone. How can I redeem my points? You can redeem your points at any time for PayPal Cash, Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, PlayStation, or Steam gift cards, or replenish a mobile phone account by going to the rewards page. How much can I earn? Well, it actually depends on many things, namely from what country you are, from what version of Android you use, how many games you installed, how long runs Cash Magnet on your phone, whether your phone is rooted or not. So there is no universal answer. Our best performing users earn around $15 a month, but this is only possible if you meet all factors mentioned above. At the moment, the maximum one can earn per phone is 500 points. This is in case the user has the phone running the app 24/7. The user is from the top countries and has the rooted phone. 500 points is $0, 5 making it $15 a month. We strive to bring more advertisers to allow us to raise this limit. Starting from the level 3 user can install games by himself, and from level 6 this will be happening in automatic mode. For each game installed, the user gets extra 100 points, and you can install as many games as you want, even 5 a day. That will make extra 500 points. All this means that the higher level you reached, the more bonus points you can get. Again, there are some more facts on here, but these are the main ones asked mostly, so that's why those are the ones that I chose to read out, but that's pretty much it. So make sure you download both these apps, and the Moocash app and the Cash Magnet app, so you can make the most amount of money possible. And that is basically everything, but just a quick and a very short recap. First thing you want to do is actually create a PayPal account, and to do so, you're going to open up paypal.com. Once you have a PayPal account, you can move on to the first app. You're going to download Moocash on your phone, let it play, do all of the tasks that they pay you for, and literally earn so much money in one day. And just imagine how you could be making in a month. Next app is called Cash Magnet app, and this one you don't actually have to do anything for, or you don't have to do anything on. All you need to do is make sure that it's running. That's why it's really important that when you increase your earnings, you can finally buy yourself a second phone where you're gonna be able to just let the app run around the clock, and you could be making at least like $100 a month. So make sure that you try this method out, and the whole thing, you're literally not gonna lose anything. Let us know how it goes in the comments down below, and that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.